So here we have the Vauxhall Astra 1.4 turbo SRI automatic on a 66 plate. We'll show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and I'll run through a few controls on the inside. But as you'll see from the outside, it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We'll start off inside the boot and then we'll work our way around the rest of the car from there. So you'll see as we approach the back of the car, we've got reversing sensors, a 60/40 split folding rear seat and plenty of boot space as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now before I hop in and run through some controls. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see that it's in fantastic condition the whole way around, and a really lovely looking car as well. Just briefly before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, the seats are in fantastic condition, as is the carpet area. There really is quite a lot to run through on this car, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so let's start with the dials. On the left hand side we've got the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer, the fuel gauge and oil temperature gauge are at the top, and then in the trip computer, which is beneath that, you can see the total miles on this car, which are 9,619. There are buttons that will allow you to change the information that's displayed up here, and they are on the right hand side of the steering wheel here. So these buttons will change what we're doing on the trip computer. We can also adjust the volume on the stereo just there. On the left hand side of the wheel we've got quite a lot going on. So we've got cruise control, speed limiter, and when cruise control is on, we can turn this on. So that essentially will keep a safe distance between you and the car in front. It will slow you down, it will speed you up according to the car in front of you, as I say. So really nice safety feature. Over in the centre here, we've got the colour touchscreen, so we can pair our phone up here, amongst other things. Over in this top left-hand corner, we've got the audio. So this particular car has got DAB, digital radio, as well as FM and AM. If we were to hit media, nothing is paired up at the moment, but if we were to hit media, we can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth, and we've also got a USB input as well. So lots of ways of listening to music on this car. Up in the top corner, we've got satellite navigation, as you can see. And if I pop this car in reverse, we actually have a reversing camera as well. When it comes to parking on this car, not only do we have parking sensors, we've got that reversing camera, but this car can also park itself. So I'll explain that further in a moment. Working our way down, we got the dual zone climate control. We can adjust the temperature over this side, fan speed over this side, and then hit that button to turn the air conditioning on or off. Beneath that we have the automatic gearbox, as you can see. And then just, if I move this round to the side of the gearbox, we've got these buttons here. These are both to do with parking, so that will turn on or off the front parking sensors. Now this one will turn on the parking aid, whereby this car can park itself. So you would push and hold that. You can park on either the left or right hand side, either parallel parking or perpendicular. So really clever system, and there are videos available on our Facebook page that will highlight exactly how that works as well. Just there we've got traction control, which we can turn on or off, and then around the other side of the gear lever we've got 3 more buttons. This is for lane departure warning system, so the car will warn you if you drift out of a lane, i.e. if you fell asleep at the wheel. You can turn that off if you wish to. Sport mode, and then this one here, so that's the stop and start. So this car is designed to cut out in traffic to save you fuel. You can turn that off should you wish to. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.